Alright, so now I'm on the other side. I'm just taking clay and I'm moving it. I'm pushing it and moving it into this piece here, making it all one. Right? Just like that. And just like that. Like that. Give it the same curves that the pot has itself. If the handles are on the same page, the whole thing's going to be working together. It's all going to be design-wise. You want it all to be on the same page. Otherwise, this piece could look awkward or stupid or boring. And you don't want any of those things going on with your ceramics. You want it to be cool. There's already enough awkward ceramics out there. There we go. So, now that those handles are melted into the pot, we can go just put a little design work in here.